This man did not just lead India's biggest media empire, he built an army of industry disruptors. Meet Uday Shankar, journalist turned broadcast media titan, former CEO of Star India, and now vice chairman of JioStar. From spotting outsiders with less media background to turning them into CEOs, global leaders, and startup founders, Uday Shankar quietly built the power circle that runs India's media and digital world today. Here is where his proteges are now. Sanjay Gupta. Once hired straight out of college, he is now the CEO of ICC running global cricket. Sanjay Gupta, he led Star India through its digital leap and now is the president of Google Asia Pacific. Gaurav Banerjee. From growing Star Plus and Hotstar to now holding the position of MD and CEO of Sony Pictures Networks India. His content empire keeps rising. Kiran Mani, an ex-Google and Viacom 18 leader, now charting the digital future as CEO of digital business at JioStar. Ajit Mohan, founding CEO of Hotstar and former Meta India head, now leading global business at Snapping as its chief business officer. Ishan Chatterjee. After monetizing YouTube India, he is now CEO Sports at JioStar. Monica Shergill. From TV to streaming giant, she is now vice president at Netflix India and leads the original content. Sushant Sriram. From leading Prime Video's marketing to now driving the transformation at JioStar as head of marketing and Seward. Gayatri Yadav. Star India's ex-marketing force is now Group CMO and EVP at Reliance Industries. Akash Saxena. The tech architect behind Hotstar is now building JioStar's integrated platforms as the Chief Technology Officer. Gautam Thakur. From Star Sports to EdTech leadership at Process, his career bridges media and tech. Nitin Kukreja. Once the mind behind Star Sports strategy, now scaling coaching giants Ellen as the Chief Executive Officer. Prateek Garg. A deal marker at Star Disney is now MD of Marigold Park Capital Advisors. Deepak Jacob. Star's former legal chief is now shaping Dream Sports corporate strategy. Amit Chopra. A Star India revenue leader turned entrepreneur at Avanzia Global. Gunjan Soni. She became country managing director, YouTube India in April 2025. With 20 plus years across consulting, media, e-commerce and tech, she now leads one of world's largest creator ecosystems. They all came in as outsiders, but Uday Shankar turned them into insiders. Today they are running the media, tech and sports world in India and beyond. So legacy isn't just what you build, it's who you build.